AI video allows us to do these like funny mashups of like the familiar and the unexpected. And that's what goes viral, right? It's like you set a norm that's relatable and then you add one ridiculous element to it. That's the secret, I think, to virality at some level. The script is always the most important part. I think this is going to be the future of narrative, is like unique characters, unique worlds, unique IP. But I do think that the creators that learn the fundamentals of storytelling are going to be the ones who are kind of most best positioned to create ongoing series. I'll just have like a simple shot list. So then what I would do is I would just copy and paste this into Gemini, and then I would copy and paste one of our cinematic prompts, and we can either do, my prompt, and I'd be like, all right, take this shot on my shot list, and in the style of this prompt structure, do that. And usually by the time the first one's finished, you finish with like the fifth one, and then you're like, okay, I get this first version back. I want to make some tweaks. I can bring it into Gemini, and I can either like download the video and upload it to Gemini, and then it kind of can read the entire experience. Sometimes it takes too long, so I'll just say, hey, there's this problem with the generation, like just remove this, add this, and make it punchier.
Indiana gonna win, baby!
And so I was like, all right, I got to start an AI studio and really like democratize these tools. Let's bring some of the world's best filmmakers, the world's funniest writers, to have this AI powered studio that's honestly almost an entire VO3 workflow. I think what makes Flow world class is its ease of use, in that it's just text to video. It can be very complex, as we do on, like these huge 6-figure ad campaigns, or it can be just a simple like high school student or college kid that's wanting to use this for the first time. And the text to video approach, I do think, is the fastest way for people to learn how to use the tools. And like, it's just pretty incredible to me that like at the highest levels and at the lowest levels, it's kind of the same process, and it's very simple and it's easy to learn. Let's keep it silly. Let's keep it fantastical. Let's keep it kind of almost like, let's create new characters. Let's not kind of dig into, disinformation, misinformation. Like, I think that's a very valid concern that I really want to just stress to creators. I absolutely believe that as humans, we are storytellers. And so this tool enables us to have a higher quality of life because we're able to express more stories inside of each of us.